Harsh is back. Harsh, I don't know if you heard my first question, but it was just basically trying to get your reaction to yesterday's incredible moves and the correlation we saw across semis. Is it a concern in the future in terms of if, in fact, we do get this rotation continuing?
So first of all, thank you for having me on your show. I think your question just left me confused and dumbfounded, but I'm back. But look, guys, we are not worried whatsoever about the future of semis, at least in the near and the midterm. Guys, as you know very well, the reality is that there's a 90% correlation between the macroeconomy and the semiconductor industry. And as you recall, all talks of recession are now off. The only talks we hear about are rate cuts and basically the pace of the recovery, whether it's going to be exceptional or moderate. But talks of recession are off. And in those environments, semis have done very well. So that's at the broader level. When you get down to the end markets itself, all the end markets have depleted all excess inventory, and they are all rising. And it's probably most evident in commodity stocks like Micron. When you take a look at the stock like Micron and the run that it's had, it's indicative of the environment that the semis are in. So we are very bullish on semis as we get into the elections, into the back half, perhaps for the second half of the year. And so I think yesterday's move, coming back to your question, was just regards the NASDAQ selling off and probably some software stocks catching a bid, but the fundamentals for semis remain very strong.
Yeah, obviously there are many on Wall Street who love NVIDIA. You certainly are very positive on it. But why is AMD sort of your top pick, Harsh?
Yeah, so we had a chance to spend some time with AMD, and what we heard was very interesting. At the time that we made it our top pick, AMD was about 10 PE points cheaper than NVIDIA was. And now that itself is not a great reason for making it at the top pick. But what was happening is they're the only real competitor to NVIDIA. They were massively supply constrained in the first half. And those supply constraints will get materially better into the back half of the year. So we're expecting a pretty nice acceleration. They've got 100 some odd customers, so they've got some breadth as far as the customers go for the MI300 chip. And the traditional server business is also starting to look up. The market will do about 10% better. These guys will take another 5-6% share more. That said, we love AMD, we love NVIDIA. We think there's room for both of these companies to do extremely well.
What about the cyclical nature of this group? It's sort of disappeared in the face of AI excitement and what's going on right now. But who's exposed as we make this transition and we deal with a slower economy? This group used to be the tip of the spear when it came to weakness in demand.
Yeah, so what happens is when in good times our memories get really short, but I'll take you back to 2023. And if you remember, the first half of 2023 was all about cyclicality for companies like AMD, companies like NVIDIA and others. And the sector was quite, so as to say, in the dumps, if you will. So I think right now we have come off the bottom. Cyclicality remains a very real facet of this industry. What tends to happen, as you guys very well know, is our customers of my companies get excited and they overorder, and then you get into a sort of a macro funk sometimes, and the stocks give up almost all of the gains that they take in a previous cycle. So that remains very much an issue, and it's only been about a year or so since we're coming off that cyclical correction.